As you realise, condoms are good for water balloons and any water sport action.
Oh, sorry, my hands like really sticky. Yeah.
Oh shit. It's fucking huge. Look how big that is.
I think we can get it bigger as well.
Nah, you need to support the weight of the. Oh, fuck me. Oh,
What?
it's like filling of jellyfish.
Yeah, especially.
Can't get to it. It's so slippery.
Oh my god.
Hey, look how big my hands look. Hey, Gary.
Hold it like that, yeah. Just hold it like Come on, guys.
Don't let me chuck it over.
I can't chuck it over that thing. Okay.
Oh my god, I had a laughing fit then.
Let's have a look at it for a second. Hey, look, Jake, look. Shit, it's slipping. Jake, get the bottom, Jake. Get the bottom. Get the bottom. It's breaking. Oh shit! Don't break!
No, you haven't. Go and have fun elsewhere.
Okay.
Because Mum's going to get in trouble.
Fuck! It's opened.
Seriously.
Oh,
Seriously.
Right, go
It's
and
an
play
extra large
elsewhere.
condom.
Yeah, come on, let's take
Either
that.
be
So just walk around
No,
back.
listen.
Yeah.
Be quiet or go and play elsewhere.
We'll go play elsewhere then.
Yeah, go.
No.
Or I'll have to take the phone.
Look.
Oh, Chris, fuck off. Oh, you got me wet as well. Oh
my god.
Fuck's sake. I fucking caught my man. Did you video it?
I think I got it.
You should video it all like. Yeah.
Oh, my feet are wet, man.
Oh, I'm
So
drenched.
funny.
Will you video me?
I'm not drenched.
Whoa. I am wet. We've got to put some news.